Hey everybody, I'm Lee with Olsen Equine. I'm glad you're here today because I've got something that I think you're really going to like. I'm going to show you how to make a gate latch out of a horseshoe. Pretty simple. All you need is a horseshoe, a little piece of sucker rod, and a little piece of square tubing. I prefer the Delta Challenger front. It's a really great shoe. It's got a nice bold toe. And that's what you're going to need to get over the post when it goes over top like this. If it's too narrow, it won't fit right. And then a short piece of sucker rod for it to hinge on, and a little short piece of square tubing that will allow it to go back and forth. And I like the square tubing a little bit better because it's easier to weld on your existing pipe. After that, I like to add a little personality to mine by putting some twists in it. Really simple. All you have to do is heat it up, put it in a vise, twist it around with a wrench. Check it out. I think you're really going to like it. You can apply all the same stuff to all your Christmas gift ideas or horseshoe art, whatever you're doing. Let me know what you think. So when it comes out red hot like that, first thing you want to do is cool off the toe where you don't want it to turn. Just like that. Put it in the vise. Make sure it's real proportional so you get the same amount of twist on both sides. Make sure you twist the same way away from it. So there you go, nothing to it. Just make sure when you're twisting you're not pushing it down or it'll bend. Just try to make it twist just like this, and it'll get you a nice twist that's proportional on both sides, just like that. We'll shape it around a little bit so it can get into the hinge right, so it's got to be that wide. So we'll just bring it in a little bit. It'll be ready to go.